In this video, I'm going to show you how to create different layers of the trees. By the way, I just finished this book, 10 step-by-step watercolor tutorials. Include how to paint simple still life to landscape and portraits. Go to this video description, you will see the link to download the digital version of this book. You can use graphite pencil. Okay. And if you're looking for this set of brush, it's just looking also in the video description. It's the focal point. We need to take a look at the composition. It's very, very important. In this drawing process, it's for us to make up our mind. So let's do a little bit testing first. I'm going to have a little yellow color. Okay. That's just the very bright yellow color, right? Take the little red. When you take the color, use the corner of the brush. And here you go, like this. And I don't need to put it all over the place, just tap on it. Just looking for the larger shape. Don't look at the small details, okay? The larger shape, right here, that's just good. And going over, I can actually brush over here. And the top over there have some yellow color. And very much we're looking for the larger color composition. Now I'm gonna get the red color, okay? I'm going to just get the red color, put it right over here. And just use the side of the brush like this. Okay, here you go. Some color need a little bit sharper contrast. Some is a little bit more smoother transition. A little bit more red first. Okay, put it right here. Now I'm going to take the blue color. And I can see this will be a lot darker. You see that? And have a little bit more deeper red color. And put it over here too. Now we're gonna make it less flat. Right now it's look pretty flat. I'm gonna get the yellow mixed with the blue color together. I'm gonna take this color and put it over there. It looks like a little bit deeper, right? The green color. I'm going to coming over here. I can put this the same color over here and also tap a little color over here in the middle. Okay, this is good. And I'm gonna come into the middle over here and also have a little gray kind of color. So here you go. I'm gonna put that in here. Okay, that's good. Like that. And have a little gray color over here too. See, it looks like a see-through. Right now it's get a little bit more and more interesting. I'm gonna have a little bit also blue, yellow color. Okay, don't be afraid of it. Okay, it will be fine. Okay, add a little yellow color. Okay. Get a little bit red, and these two colors together make it orange. Orange mix this little blue color. It looks like a little bit more like brownish color. Okay, get a little bit more yellow. Okay, here you go. Mix that in. Okay, that will be the color we want. Okay, it's just like oil painting. Sometimes you just consider you are mixing right on the paper, right on the canvas. In this case, it's right on our watercolor paper. Now here you go. If you haven't done this before, that means perfect for you. Try it. Okay, that's good. Coming over here. Now this is the side. And that's good. Like that. And I'm gonna have a little bit more like a yellow orange color right on the road over here. And the back over here, just use the tip of this brush. And here you go. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna get my O2 brush. Now what I'm gonna do, just wet the brush with a little water, and I'm gonna take this, just the red color, okay? Put it down. Are you ready? Maybe you haven't done this, just watch me, okay? Now here we go. Here you go, like that. Spray that on, right at the front. Exciting. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna have something a little bit thicker. I'm gonna get a little bit thicker so that the dots appear to be smaller. Ooh, very interesting, isn't it? Huh? Okay, it's good. When I have this a little tree coming through over here, this is some of the leaves, so it's the branches right over here. Now I'm gonna have that putting in here like that. There's something add to it. So this is what this tree actually look like. And over here too, I'm gonna have them a little red color right over here. That's just good. And we're going to mix some really dark color. How do we mix the very dark color? A lot of people thinking about, okay, all right, I'm gonna get the black. You don't need to have the black paint. In our palette, there's only the 3 primary color, right? So you just use the 2 dark primary colors together with the red and the blue color. It will become a very, very dark. Can you see that? This is very, very dark. Now I'm going to take a look. Now pay attention from here. Now I'm going to do this tree first. I'm going to from the bottom over here, it's coming up, and from here you go. Now a little bit like over here, and have a little bit broken, and let's take a look, and coming down. After we have those tree trunk, the thing will look very different. Okay, coming right here. At the bottom need to be a little bit thicker, right? That's just one, and I'm gonna continue doing this one. I'm gonna have this blocking the tree trunk a little bit more. So I'm gonna have this start over here, blocking and skipping like that, skipping, and take a look at they're skipping a little bit, and here you go, coming down, take a look at, here's good. Okay, that's good. Have this one at the front coming up, and start over here, a little bit smaller, right, and coming down, here you go, coming over here, I'm gonna go through this, not go through this, skip this a little bit, and coming down a little bit bigger, and here you go. We're gonna keep this only this big. This is fine. I'm gonna coming over here, and this is that's good, and we can add a little bit over here. Here you go, up over here like that. Slow down. Okay, have a little bit coming here. This brush can really create different sizes of very good, like that. That's good. All right, getting there, right? We're gonna come back with the detail a little bit later, a little bit more detail. And remember what we talked about this few weeks, how to do trees. So you add the red and it'll become the autumn. But the way the tree is also important. Now, keep going. Now I'm going to do this one. Okay, here you go. Coming this one a little bit thicker. Yeah, coming right over here. Make a little bit different. Okay, here you go. Like that. Okay, look before you make decision. That's good. And this continue up over here. That's good. Okay, now small trees on this side. Those may not be that visible, right? Here we go. You see the foundation is very, very important. That is the color behind, okay? And here you go. Now I'm gonna have this coming down over here. Okay, here you go. Like that. A couple more. And this is one over here. There you go, like that. I can hear you. You're having fun over there. Washing brushes. Okay, here you go, like this. That's good. Now we're gonna come back to do a little bit lighter. And the one in the middle over here, right? They're not really that dark, okay? Just a little bit lighter. Here you go. I know lots of friends on YouTube has been watching for a number of years. Okay, so maybe the time for you to join us, and I need your help to be able to bring the community to the next level. We're going to do, in the future, we're going to do lots of face-to-face meeting for members and lots of learning, interactive, okay? But without your support, it's difficult to move forward, okay? Now we'll move a little bit more coming here. You see that those are small tree in the distance. And think about the distance. Okay, not all everything so the same distance in between. So some a little bit apart, some a little bit closer. Okay, you can modify that right here, like that. There you go. That's good. You gotta have fun. And we have been working our whole life for a job or for a company and maybe for someone else. Now is the time for us to enjoy what we do. Okay, here you go. Like that. Some tree over here. Okay, see some broken on the top over here. Like that. This is good. And also some small tree over here. Okay, here you go. Now I'm gonna come into add some other. Here you go, a little bit smaller. I'm gonna mix a little bit more blue with the red color. And here you go, a little bit more blue. Here you go, there's two colors together. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have this up. Okay, like that. Okay, some are not connected. Now, actually, you can be creative. Okay, don't have to be. Just draw what the reference look like. That's good, like that. I'm gonna have a little red coming over here. This, and here you go. If you want to watch the full version of this painting video, now go to patreon.com/YongChen.